Hallo mensen. Hi people. Hallo mensen. Ek het besluit ek gaan 'n koppelaar plaat te check. Kyk na dit. I decided to check the clutch plate before I put the motor in because it's now out, so I can check if it's okay or not and replace it or whatever I have to do with it. So let's go on with the story. The bokies daar binnekant, the bolts inside there. So, So with a little bit of magic, as if bokies now it. Alright. Kyk na dit. Krisis. Droog. Draai that greases could dry. Okay, this thing looks fine. The drive plate is good, so I'm satisfied with that. Put it down there and just clean it out there and put some little bit of grease in the push there, like a tiny bit of grease again in the push, and die bus 'n bietjie grease sit, nuwe grease, en dan moet ek hierdie bietjie skoon maak, die drukplaat. Pressure plate, I must clean a little bit. Old dust and stuff that's on there. Right. Old grease, die ou grease uitkry. Stop. Droog. Dat become dry. Droog word, hard. Kleintjies. What do you call it? Like crystal stuff. Yeah. So now I'm going to put some grease in there. So don't put copper slip grease or aluminium grease in there. Alright. Now, say it American way. Okay. That's maybe that's enough. I hope so. Just in the back there. Good. Otherwise it comes on a plate there. I don't want this to come on this plate. This must come to the flywheel side. Solid stuff. There's no bells ringing. No, get the pressure plate. Alright. Yeah, die ander bootje. Boute onder die plank gevind onder die 2,5 by 1,5. 2,5 by 1,5 piece of wood. Right. The bolts were there. Die boutjies was daar. Okay, the wrong way. It doesn't turn further than that because this thing twists and then it takes up the shock of this ratchet, so then it doesn't work. So it only enters these bolts with this socket, an empty socket. And that is why you can't use an impactor with long extensions. You can turn it in until it's against the object you're tightening, but after that you have to torque it with your power bar or your torque wrench with the long extensions. Okay, so hierdie ding kan niks verder dan deze, want die skok wat die ding maak kan in die op. So as die lang wat is dit? Ja, daar's 'n naam vir dit, maar ons sê sommer extensions. Ons noem dit extensions. Extensions. Werk 'n impactor nie meer nie. Jy moet hom net draai tot hy vas is teen. Dan kan jy hom met 'n op 'n lang afstand draai met 'n kragstaaf of 'n wringstaaf. 'n wringstaaf is 'n torque wrench. You adjust it to a certain torque. Jy draai, stel hom op 'n sekere wringkrag en dan klik hy op daai wringkrag. Power bar is 'n power bar. Jy draai los, vasboute los. Maak nie saak hoe vas dit is nie, jy draai dit los. So the power bar is a high torque wrench thingy, and you can turn the bolt loose with or break it off. Right, come on, turn it. Start at the top. Let's see. So it doesn't go further than that. I must now get an Allen key for this. So now I'm done with this. Now I must clean the story here. Ek moet dit net skoonmaak daar binne en grease op die pivotpunte sit. En die release druklaar daar so ook om die vurk agter grease en so aan en hy gemors uitvee. Right, and rubbish I must clean out there. So I say bye bye from this video. Bye. Tot ziens. Bye bye, tot ziens, tot de volgende video. Thanks for viewing and thanks for subscribing and so forth. See you in the next video. Bye. Because the tractor is coming, so I better turn this off. Tot de volgende keer, dankie.